Here's everything you need to know about Wi-Fi 7 to get you up to speed on the fastest Wi-Fi standard around. Wi-Fi 7 is the latest Wi-Fi standard, promising the fastest wireless internet speeds, increased bandwidth, and the ability to support more devices simultaneously. Wi-Fi 7 is also known as 802.11be, which is why Wi-Fi 7 routers have speed ratings such as BE 19000 for example. While it's just theoretical, Wi-Fi 7 speeds can reach a maximum of 46 gigabits per second, quadrupling the max speeds of Wi-Fi 6. A major reason for the incredible jump in speed is due to the wider 320 MHz channel on the Wi-Fi 6 band, which doubles the available lanes for data to pass through. Think of it like a highway, with more lanes creating a faster traffic flow. Wi-Fi 7 also supports the multi-link operation, or MLO, feature that allows devices to transmit data across all three wireless bands simultaneously. The advantage are lower latency by seamlessly switching between bands and improved reliability by aggregating bandwidth across the three bands. Obviously the pros are many, but Wi-Fi 7 has the same pains experienced by any new Wi-Fi standard. Wi-Fi 7 routers are more expensive, not all devices can leverage Wi-Fi 7, it offers less speed on the faster lanes, and it requires a very fast internet connection to fully take advantage. While Wi-Fi 7 is still new and is only compatible with newer devices, it's completely worth it if you have a fast fiber internet connection of 1 gigabit or more. So,